Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be comparing Gusto and ADP. Now this will be a very quick comparison video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you understand all the key differences between these services. So let's start with pricing. How is Gusto priced? Gusto's payroll pricing is based on the size of your business and the features you need. Gusto offers two main pricing plans. Simple, which is $40 per month, plus $6 per employee per month. And then there's Plus, which is $80 per month, plus $12 per employee per month. The Simple plan includes all of Gusto's essential payroll features, such as payroll processing, tax filing, and payroll reporting. The Plus plan includes additional features, such as employee benefit administration, time tracking, and HR tools. Gusto also offer a custom pricing plan for businesses with complex payroll needs. To get a custom quote, you can contact Gusto Sales. What about ADP? ADP's payroll pricing is based on the size of your business and the features you need. So you will need to go to their site to properly understand how much it's priced at. However, their essential plan is priced at $79 per month, plus $4 per employee per month. The essential plan includes all of ADP's essential payroll features, such as payroll processing, tax filing, and payroll reporting. Now there's also the enhanced plan, which includes additional features such as employee benefit administration, time tracking, and HR tools. And there's also the complete plan, which includes all of ADP's features and services. ADP also offers a variety of add-on services such as global payroll support, compliance support, and risk management. The price of add-on services depending on the service and the size of your business. So what are Gusto's features? To start with, they have payroll processing. Gusto automates payroll processing for businesses of all sizes, from calculating and paying employee wages to filing taxes. It supports multiple payroll types, including hourly, salary, and commissioned employees. Now it also has tax filing. Gusto automatically files federal, state, and local payroll taxes on your behalf. It also provides you with detailed tax reports so you can stay on top of your tax obligations. Now they also offer a variety of payroll reports, including time cards, pay stubs, and tax reports, and you can generate and export reports anytime with a few clicks. Gusto also offers a variety of employee benefit administration features, including health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. You can easily manage your employees' benefits through the Gusto platform. There's integrations, so it integrates with a variety of third-party software, including accounting software, HR software, and time tracking software. This makes it easy to streamline your business operations and keep all of your data in one place. Now they also have an employee self-service, and this allows employees to view their pay stubs, update their personal information, and request time off. Gusto also offers a hiring and onboarding tool that helps you streamline the process of hiring new employees. They offer a performance management tool that helps you set goals for your employees and track their progress. And finally, they also have analytics and reporting. And these can help you track your business's performance and make informed decisions. Now for ADP's features. They also have payroll processing and can process payroll for businesses of all sizes. Now there's also tax filing, which also provides you with a detailed tax report so you can stay on top of your tax obligations. The payroll reporting is the same as Gusto's, where they offer things like time cards, pay stubs, and tax reports. And you can also generate and export reports at any time with a few clicks. ADP also offers employee benefit administration, and it also has integrations. Now in terms of global payroll, ADP can process payroll for employees in over 140 countries. ADP also helps businesses stay compliant with all applicable labour and tax laws. ADP also helps businesses manage their payroll risks such as fraud and errors. And finally, they offer 24/7 customer support to help businesses with their payroll needs. What about integrations? Gusto integrates very well with a wide range of third-party software, including accounting software, HR software, and time tracking software. This makes it easy to streamline your business operations and keep all of your data in one place. And here are some of the most popular third-party softwares that Gusto integrates with. For accounting software, they integrate with QuickBooks, Xero, FreshBooks, Sage, and NetSuite. For HR software, they integrate with Bamboo HR, Gusto HR, Paycor, ADP Workforce Now, and Namely. And for time tracking software, they integrate with T-Sheets, Clockify, Time Doctor, Harvest, and Connect Team. For ADP, they also integrate very well with a wide range of third-party software, including accounting software, HR software, and time tracking software. This makes it easy to streamline your business operations and keep all of your data in one place. And in terms of popular third-party softwares that ADP integrate with, for accounting software, it integrates with QuickBooks, Xero, Sage, NetSuite, and Microsoft Dynamics. For HR software, it integrates with ADP Workforce Now, Bamboo HR, Paycor, Namely, and Workday. And for time tracking software, they integrate with ADP Time Tracking, T-Sheets, Clockify, Time Doctor, and Harvest. So in conclusion, both ADP and Gusto are excellent payroll services with a wide range of features and benefits. However, there are some key differences between the services that you should consider before making a decision. ADP is a good choice for businesses of all sizes, but is especially well suited for large businesses and businesses with complex payroll needs. ADP offers a wider range of features than Gusto, including more advanced payroll features and support for global payroll. ADP also offers a higher level of customer support. Gusto is a good choice for small businesses and businesses that are looking for a user-friendly payroll service with strong employee benefit administration features. Gusto is also a good choice for businesses that are looking for a more affordable payroll service. Ultimately, the best way to decide which payroll service is right for you is to compare ADP and Gusto on the factors that are most important to you. And if you're not sure which payroll service is right for you, I recommend that you contact both ADP and Gusto and get a free demo. Some additional things to consider when choosing between ADP and Gusto could also be the industry, because some industries have specific payroll requirements. For example, the construction industry has a different payroll requirements than the healthcare industry. There's also company culture. ADP is a large established company with a corporate culture. However, Gusto is a smaller startup company with a bit more casual culture. And finally, scalability. Make sure you choose a payroll service that can scale with your business. As your business grows, you will need a payroll service that can accommodate your changing needs. So this is my comparisons on ADP and Gusto. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below. Also comment down below what you think of both ADP and Gusto. Which one do you think is better? And tell me the reasons why you like them. So if you did find this video helpful, please comment. So if you did find this video helpful, please also like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.